Hey guys, Chad here, C&D Garage Toys. Today we have a set of Infanzia waterproof car seat covers. It's a 2-pack. This is not traditionally what you think of as a car seat cover. I ordered mine with the tan leather interior. I deal with equipment at work and stuff, so you know, I mean, I can sometimes get grease on my pants at work and stuff. So instead of having grease and stuff in my pants, you know, and then translating it over to my seats, that I don't want. I don't want to have to clean my seats all the time. Somebody that would work out or something like that might get in your vehicle sweaty or something, you know, then you end up with sweat stained leather seats, or, you know, there's that sweat smell ends up in the seats. So let's open these up and see what these look like. So take those out of the bag. And like I said, it's a 2-pack. So let me set the other one up here. Okay. It's a pretty heavy neoprene, so that's good. It's got a couple of buckles here on the back. Actually, it's got 3 buckles on the back there. And then it has the cover that goes over the seat, or the headrest. And that's all this is. It's just a cheap seat cover that goes over it. So that way when you get in and out, if you're dirty or something else, sweaty or whatever the case may be. And what you do is you just slide that over your headrest like so. And it just kind of sets down in the seat like that. And you would take the straps then, and you could put the straps around it. You could probably just leave them off. I'm gonna say they're gonna slide somewhat if you don't put the straps on, but that's pretty much all they are. They're just a neoprene cover to protect your seats from getting in and out. So once we get those in, and I have those in for a while, I'll let you guys know how they do and stuff like that, but it's just a quick cover you can throw over your seat to protect them. So anyways, that's it for this one. We'll catch you guys on the next video.